I've got some fresh local vegetables today. I went vegetable shopping and I got some very interesting vegetables and decided to do a Kerala stew, which is the authentic Kerala stew. And because it is usually had with appams and I don't have the kadai for appam, I decided to make a sponge dosa to go with it, and that's my usual combination that I have when I make a Kerala stew. I have it with the sponge dosa, that's a soft dosa. So I'm going to be showing you both today. So one important thing for the stew is use a good quality organic coconut oil. This stew requires you to have coconut oil, so if you use any other oil it's going to be fine, but it's not going to give you the authentic Kerala taste. Coconut milk. This is the first extract. That's your thin coconut milk, and the veggies are going to get nice and steamed in the coconut milk. Let it steam for at least 10 minutes. So a faster version of this could be that you could put all the vegetables in a pressure cooker. That also can be done, but I like it this way so that my vegetables are not too soft. They stay a little crunchy, and I like it that way. Smells beautiful. So now that the veggies are all cooked, I'm going to be adding the thick coconut milk, the thick extract of coconut milk. How beautiful, I love the colors. You know, the stew, Kerala stew is such a simple and flavorful curry. It's one of the curries which does not have excessive spices, and you know, the simplicity of flavors just brings out the taste of all the vegetables. That smells delicious. The coconut oil is super important here because that is going to give you that Kerala flavor, and I can already, my kitchen smells like it's in somewhere in Kerala. Just adding a little bit of crushed black pepper. I'm just going to taste quickly because I think it's ready. It's perfect. And just like that, the Kerala stew is ready. Isn't that simple? How simple is that? I mean, it's just the khada masala and ginger garlic, and just cook the vegetables, add the coconut milk, done. So I'm going to get cracking with the sponge dosa. So now for the sponge dosa. Sponge dosa is nothing but a fluffy dosa, a softer version of your regular dosa. I absolutely love it because when I dip the dosa in the stew, it kind of soaks in nicely. So I prefer the soft dosa, the sponge dosa to a regular dosa. For that, what I do is, it's very simple. This is your idli dosa regular batter, and I've made this and it's nicely fermented. To this I add 1 cup of your regular poha. Now I use red poha. It's a much healthier version than your white poha. So if you can get your hands on the red poha, this is unpolished and a healthier option, adds a little bit of nutrition to your life. So soak this and just grind it, add it, and then make your dosa. Poha is soaked. I'm gonna quickly grind it. Just mixing it all together. Add a little bit of salt. I have not added any. So you're looking at really thick consistency here, not your regular dosa consistency. I placed the dosa tawa. I always use the cast iron tawa. I'm actually obsessed with this tawa. I'm loving it. I'm just adding a little bit of ghee. So the dosas are ready and it's time for plating. And just like that, my Kerala stew with sponge dosa is ready. It looks so yummy. Guys, do let me know if you want me to try out any other recipes which are monsoon special. Like this one here has transported me to Kerala already because there's something about monsoon and this hot steaming stew and sponge dosa or appam. Let me know how this turns out, and also let me know if you want me to make any other monsoon special recipes, maybe a soup or anything else. Do let me know in the comments and try this out. Tell me how it turns out. Enjoy a nutritious vegetable Kerala stew at home. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.